Good morning. I know I have no makeup on, but today is my husband's birthday and he's turning 28, so I thought we would vlog today. And even though I can't really go out and I can't really do much, it's not going to be super entertaining, but if you guys are true followers and love us, you're going to enjoy it because I had the baby and so I can't necessarily go out. Maybe we'll go out, but he's like almost 2 weeks old and it's cold here and it's not safe. I'm one of those moms. I'm one of those moms that stays in the house for like 2 months. And anyways, so it's his birthday. He's 28 and he's about to go to the gym. And baby, I love you so much. Happy birthday, old man. I love it so much. So yeah, I didn't get him a gift or anything. We're trying to decide because he always picks his gifts because he has to research things and there's specific things that he likes, certain brands, and we're gonna go bother him. Happy birthday! Wait, hold on, Daddy, hold on. Yes, we're doing this today because we gotta document that you're 28 years old. Tell us about how you feel, old man. Are your bones hurting?
Yes.
Hey, tell us for a second.
My bones hurt.
It's your birthday. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Are we gonna go buy you a truck today?
No.
A new truck today?
No.
We're gonna go return that one and get you a new one? It's his birthday! La 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 la! Well, what do you want for your birthday? Because I'm willing to do that. Let's go get you a truck.
No.
Let's go trade that one in. What do you want for your birthday then? Tell me. Whatever you want, you can get today. What do you want?
I gotta think about it.
Okay, well you think about it while you're working out in the gym. Don't be flirting with any of those 30-year-old ladies.
30-year-old kitties.
Okay? Let's see if there's any new wrinkles on your face. Oh, yep, there they are. You're so old now! Okay, say happy birthday to Daddy. Say happy birthday, Daddy. Say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Oh, good one.
Mommy, I'm gonna buy a car.
You're gonna buy him a car?
Yeah.
Sweet. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad. I'm gonna be. I never sing. Well, why is the movie singing? Because never mind.
Megamind? I don't know. It just does. I'm gonna show everyone your birthday today. We're gonna have the whole day filmed and we're gonna do a vlog. It's vlog time.
That's why I don't
Take the camera to the gym. You're vlogging. It's been so crazy, guys. You know I had a baby and so he's like a week and a half now. And so I didn't have a chance to focus on my hubby's birthday and I always give him a present. I always take him out to dinner, call his family and friends. Now that we're out here in Rhode Island, we don't have much family and we have some friends, but a lot of our friends are out of town right now and I just had a baby, so I can't really do anything. So I totally didn't plan anything and I spaced completely. I mean, this morning when I saw the date, I said happy birthday, obviously. And I remembered it, but I didn't plan ahead, and I usually plan ahead. But he's so sweet that he hasn't said anything. So anyways, I'm filming and editing right now. Ladies, don't forget your husband's birthday. Plan ahead, even if you have a baby. I should have been planning a month ahead in advance.
First, knock down, and having Dad say the wind do it.
The wind did it, huh?
I have a friend.
You better believe I'm gonna have this camera on you all day long. Okay. Go take. Okay. Yeah, poop. Yeah, there's poop out there. This baby's been sleeping the entire time. Brigham. Hi, Briggs. What you doing? He's awake. You look so cute in your little green outfit. Oh, are you hungry? Oh, that's so sweet. Are you stretching around? It's Daddy's birthday today, and I can hear him calling me, but I'm ignoring him. Oh, he's going back to sleep. Okay, you can talk to me now. The camera's on.
We want to feed the kids chicken and rice.
Not until you come give me a kiss right now, the old man. No, don't give him that.
Garbage. I know.
Well, why you have the garbage out like
I
that?
didn't know if we're getting the chicken and rice for it. We're not.
No.
We are or we are?
No, we're not.
Get out of my face.
Come on! What are we gonna do today? We're gonna go to the store? Get you a cake?
I don't even want a cake. I don't.
Why do you have to be stinky on your birthday? Every year you have to be stinky on your birthday. It's okay to celebrate your birthday, you know.
I don't know. I just don't want a cake.
Why?
He's trying cakes.
Well, we gotta sing happy birthday to you.
You sing without a cake. Don't have a cake, right?
Why are you crying, Kai? You want a snack? Do you want a snack? Yeah? What do you want? A candy? Yeah. Here you go. There's your Easter candy. Say thank you. You don't need a candy. Uh-oh. Give it to Kai. That's Kai's. That's the ones he found from the Easter Bunny. Those are the ones he found. So give it back to him. Yeah. Kai, say thank you. Can you say thank you? Easter Bunny doesn't eat the candy. He leaves candy for you.
Oh.
The vlogging continues.
We'll never know.
What did lame me decide we were gonna do?
What?
What did lame me decide we were gonna do?
The lame you?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. What the lame you decided to do?
That you have to go get your own cake because I didn't plan ahead.
It's okay.
Because we had a baby.
I don't even like cake.
So you're just doing it for me?
That would be the only reason. I
And
can
kids,
think
they want to sing happy birthday to you.
of. Yeah, those are the reasons why we're doing it.
And you do like that one
call me
cake. You said you
Scrooge.
liked it. You are a Scrooge. So here we go. Tell everyone what's been going on in our life that is, because they haven't seen a vlog from us for a long time. So why are we in Rhode Island?
We're trying out the East Coast.
What have you done? Oh, we're not doing this. Put your seatbelt on. We're not doing this beeping
My
thing.
seatbelt's on.
Why is it beeping?
I don't know.
What did you decide to do?
I decided to work for myself.
Started a solar business. Is that what you call it?
Yep, solar company.
Solar company. I'll link it below. Rooftop power. If you live in Massachusetts or Rhode Island, you'll save money and you'll even get money back.
It's true.
It's freaking amazing. If I lived anywhere, like if I wanted to get solar and I would pick any state to go to where I can get the most back, Rhode Island, Massachusetts is the place to go right now because you get so much back. So
Yep, best incentives in the whole country.
yep, I'll put a link below. And you can still go check out the website because yours truly created it. And it's awesome, isn't it?
It turned out good, yeah.
Yeah. So that's always fun. Oh, look at these houses, are so beautiful and huge. And let's see if we can pass by the house I wanted to buy, but it's $1 million, so we're not doing that. Look at that one. I'll show you guys. Oh, this one has a huge backyard. Look at this one.
That'd be good.
if we could buy $1 million home, this is probably the one I'd buy if we were out here. This yellow one right here. Oh, it's still on the market. So pretty inside. These houses are freaking pretty. Okay, so where are we going? To BJ's?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to BJ's and we're gonna pick a cake. And since I can't go in with a baby, a 2-week-old baby, Daddy's gonna vlog in the store.
Not vlogging.
With the kids,
No.
so that you can just show them what you're getting.
I'm not vlogging.
And how excited the kids are. You better get how excited the kids are to pick a cake for you.
Ugh, I'm not gonna vlog, but we are gonna go in the store. It's not my thing.
Why would you ever say that?
That's the
Oh, this house too I wanted. Oh, those are just dreams though.
But can we make our dreams come true?
We're still figuring that out. We haven't been out here that long. But we'll see.
We'll know in the next couple of years. We'll know if our dreams are true or crushed.
Yeah. Even if one's crushed, we can always make another one. And another one, and another one. It's the beauty of it. So, what's another thing that's going on?
What's another thing?
We're not good at reading each other's minds yet. He never knows what I'm thinking. Well, we have to be out of our house in 3 weeks.
Oh, it's
In
actually
the beginning of May.
June 1st.
No, we're going out in the beginning of May.
So
Because that's what we had, Butch and I had agreed on, that May we'll have a new place. So that's what we're doing.
in May we'll have a new place, yes.
So we've been searching and searching, and there's not a lot of places to rent because that's too quick to buy, and we're not ready to do that yet. Oh, this baby. Oh, this baby. I could stare at him all day. Look how snuggly he looks in there. It's like 6:37. So this is the lowdown. This is kind of what happened. So instead of going to BJ's and getting my husband's birthday cake, he kind of took us around to see some of those houses that we saw for rent. And we kind of just looked at it, peeped at them from the outside, which was nice of him to do. It was nice of him to kind of support my want to go start looking for places. So we're probably going to celebrate his birthday tomorrow and sing to him tomorrow. But yeah, that's kind of what we've been doing. I don't know. And so now that he's doing that, I fed baby. Baby's kind of laying down, trying to fall asleep. I'm probably going to go paint my nails, and they'll probably watch a movie or just hang out. I don't know. This baby's so cute. Have you guys ever, if you have babies, you know what I'm talking about, where you can just sit and stare and make videos of your baby just sitting there doing nothing? I can do that all day long. I mean, look at how cute he is. Brigham, if you're watching this when you're older, I love you so much. You're so sweet. You're just my little angel. I love this baby. He's so sweet. Look at this little beanie. My mom made him this. She's so freaking sweet. Go to sleep. It's 6:37. Anyways, that's the lowdown. But tomorrow will be more eventful. I have my husband for 2 full weeks is taking off of work to be with me and help me whenever, although it doesn't seem like I need help. It helps me emotionally, because pregnancy is hard on your body, but having your baby the first month is hard on your emotions. You can get depressed really easily because it's just, you feel overwhelmed. And so I feel so happy having my husband here. It just makes me feel good.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Can we go?
Happy birthday to you.
changing it all up.
Sorry.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Blow the candle.
Alright, blow yours, blow yours.
Blow yours, Daddy. Nice.
Alright. Okay.
28.
No.
Wait, how old are you?
Get the green one.
28. That's right.
Almost two.
This is nice.
Down.
This is nice. Mom, I want this one. I want that
Don't
one.
touch it. If you touch it, you're not gonna have any.
I want this one.
Okay, well, Dad's gonna come cut it right now.
I want down the middle. I'm down the middle. Daddy. Down
Sorry.
me down. This one there. Look there. I'm down right there.
We have plates in there?
Look. This one. I'm under this. Give me a foot. I cut the pieces. Oh, look at this one, Mom. Now let me cut the pieces.
No, just wait.
Look, Mom.